Hey everyone, Abhiram here. Today we'll be seeing the relation between a regular pentagon and the golden ratio. So let's get straight into it. So what's our claim? So our claim is that in any regular pentagon the ratio of any diagonal of the pentagon to the side of the pentagon is the golden ratio or 1.618. So let's analyze it with the diagram. So here the polygon ABCDE is a regular pentagon and EC is the diagonal of this pentagon and DE is the side of this pentagon. So according to our claim, EC divided by DE is equal to the golden ratio. So now let's see the proof of this. So I have got three proofs for you and I will show all of them to you. So this is the first proof. Since it's a regular pentagon, all the sides and all the angles of this pentagon are equal. And by the polygon angle property, we get that each angle is equal to the 108 degrees. Now let's also assume that each side of the pentagon is equal to 1. Now let's look at the triangle EDC separately. So here in triangle EDC, angle EDC is equal to 108 degrees, angle DE is equals DC is equals 1. So now if we use loss of cosine to find EC, we get that EC is nothing but EC is nothing but 1 square plus 1 square minus 2 times 1 times 1 times cos 108 degrees. And if we calculate it, we get that EC is nothing but the golden ratio. So now let's see the second proof. So here, as we mentioned before, angle EDC is 108 degrees and also DE is equals DC. And from that we get that it is an isosceles triangle. It is an isosceles triangle. And by the property that the base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal, we get that angle DEC is equal to angle DCE is equal to 36 degree. By a similar argument, we get that angle CDB is also equal to 36 degrees. Now, if we look at the triangle DGC, we get that by angle GDC is equals angle GCD. And now by the angle sum property of a triangle, we get that angle DGC is equal to 108 degrees. Now, if we look at the triangles EDC and DGC, we get that they both are similar by the criterion AAA. Now, by the property that the ratio of the sides of similar triangles are equal, we get that EC divided by DC is equals DE divided by GC. Now, if we cross multiply, we get that EC times GC is equals DE square. Why? How did it become DE square? It became DE square as DC is nothing but DC is equal to DE. So we get DE square. And we can see that EC is nothing but EG plus GC. So we can expand it and write it as EG plus GC whole times whole times GC is equals DE square. Now let's take GC to the RHS. And also you can note we can prove that EG is equals DE. And I will not prove this for you. You guys can prove it and tell your proof in the comment box below. Now after doing this, we get that DE plus GC is equals DE square by GC. So now let's divide both sides by DE. So then we get the equation as 1 plus GC by DE is equals DE by GC. Let us set DE by GC is equals X. So now we get the equation as 1 plus 1 by X is equals X. And now solving for X, we get that X is nothing but the golden ratio. And we know that X is since X is equal to DE by GC, which is equal to EG by DC, we get that the EC, which is the length of the diagonal of the pentagon, divided by DC, which is the side of the pentagon, is equal to the golden ratio. Now let's see the last and the final proof of this theorem. Now here we can if we take a look at that quadrilateral AECB, we get that angle EAB and CAB are equal, and also we can tell that AE is equals BC as they are both sides of this pentagon. Hence we can conclude that this pentagon is a isosceles trapezoid. Is this quadrilateral is an isosceles trapezoid, and we know that every isosceles trapezoid is a cyclic quadrilateral. So now let us set AC is equals B and AB is equals A, and now use Ptolemy's theorem on this quadrilateral. Before that, what is the Ptolemy's theorem? Ptolemy's theorem says that the sum of the product of the opposite two sides of a quadrilateral is equal to the product of the diagonal of the quadrilateral. That it says that so if we look at this quadrilateral, it says that AB times EC plus EA times CB is equal to EB times CA. So now we know we can take these values in terms of B and A. So now if we take these values in terms of B and A, we get the equation as AB plus A square is equals B square. And taking B square to the other side, we get that AB plus A square minus B square is equals 0. Now if we divide both sides of the equation by A square, we get that B square by A square divided by B by A minus 1 is equals 0. So now let's set B by A is equals X, and substituting the values of X in the original equation, which is this equation, we get the quadratic as x square minus x minus 1 is equal 0. And now solving for x, we get that x is nothing but it is equal to the golden ratio, which is equal to B by A, where B is equal to AC and A is equal to AB. And also we see that AC is the diagonal of that pentagon and AB is the side of this pentagon. So we can then conclude that the AC by AB, or ratio of diagonal to the side of the pentagon, is always equal to the golden ratio. So thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video.